There's going to be three major inputs of votes in November: absentee by mail, in-person early voting, and election day voting. And the more we can spread out the flow through each of those three mechanisms, the less stress we put on any one of those inputs. Obviously, we will need to increase the number of absentee by mail votes cast. And we need to, one, set up a system that can accommodate more of those votes and make it easier to vote. We're going to have an enormous poll worker shortage in November. We can fix this by doing a number of things. We can pay our poll workers more. We can lift the requirement that a majority of poll workers have to live in the actual precinct that they're working in. The last thing that I think hasn't gotten nearly enough attention that we need to talk about is voter registration. Voter registration in this state is taking a nosedive. So the state needs to do things to make voter registration easier and more accessible during this public health crisis. I think it's important to understand that as traumatic and tragic as the current pandemic is, we also need to keep an eye on the fact that if our democracy also dies during this time, we've lost more than we can ever recover from.